guys, Camera Vlogs here, and if y'all are asking why the heck am I up right now, it's Monday. I'm not supposed to be born because I'm supposed to be at school. There's been a flash flood, and a really bad one. Just outside, we opened our gate. Let's go take a look. You guys might get wet, so chest. It's really loud. I don't know if you guys think that's really loud, but for me, it's really, really loud. That's where I used to ride my bike. No more riding bikes here. For a good period of time. And because the school was canceled, you have to stay in here all night. No way. What? There's a car in the middle of the flood. How is he not getting dead? Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this water. Sipping it. I can already feel it getting up. Whoa! Hold on. There it is. Water's rising up fast, guys. Now, I don't know if y'all have seen this too, but oh my god, that's a lot of water. Jeez. Post whatever you want to say in the comments if y'all are seeing this too. But man, this is wild. And I need to get in because I'm gonna get shot. Hi guys, it's bad.